Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the place for transforming your outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of escaping to the sun-drenched coasts of Italy, Greece or Spain, but only have a tiny patch of yard or a small patio? You absolutely can! Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of the small Mediterranean garden. Stick around as we reveal how to bring this timeless, low-maintenance beauty to your home, no matter the size, and get ready to see the top 10 most inspiring design ideas. Let's get started. A small Mediterranean garden is an outdoor space, often compact in size, that captures the essence and atmosphere of the Mediterranean basin's diverse landscapes. This style is not just about specific plants. It's a design philosophy centered on simplicity, rustic charm, and resilience. Key characteristics include the use of drought-tolerant, aromatic plants like lavender and olive trees, along with natural, earthy materials such as terracotta, stone, gravel, and rough-hewn wood. The goal is to create a serene, practical environment that can withstand hot, dry summers while inviting relaxation and reflecting the beautiful interplay of sun and shadow found along the coasts. Even in a small area, a Mediterranean garden emphasizes structure, texture, and a sense of timeless tranquility, making every square foot feel like a private, sun-kissed courtyard. One of the most significant benefits of embracing this style, especially in a small space, is its inherent low-maintenance nature. The plants selected for a Mediterranean garden are typically native to dry, arid climates, meaning they require far less watering and attention than traditional lush lawns or flower beds once established. This translates directly into lower water bills and less time spent on upkeep. Furthermore, a Mediterranean garden, with its structured hardscaping, aromatic herbs, and simple color palette, offers unparalleled year-round beauty and sensory appeal. The scent of rosemary and thyme, the silvery green foliage of olives, and the warm textural stone provide a constant, calming retreat. Finally, this style is incredibly versatile, easily adapting to small courtyards, balconies, and urban backyards, proving that you don't need a sprawling estate to enjoy a sophisticated, world-traveling garden aesthetic. Decorating your small Mediterranean garden beautifully starts with defining your space and choosing materials that reflect the regional aesthetic. Begin with your hardscaping. Opt for terracotta pavers, sun-bleached gravel like white pebbles, natural flagstone, or warm-tone tiles for pathways and patios. These materials provide the essential backdrop of warmth and durability. To make a small area feel larger, use vertical elements like climbing bougainvillea or jasmine on a stucco wall, or tall, narrow cypress trees in large terracotta pots, drawing the eye upward. Incorporate water features, even a small wall fountain or a simple rectangular basin, as the sound of trickling water is a hallmark of the style and instantly elevates the ambience. Finally, accent with rustic decor. Think wrought iron garden furniture, simple clay pots, an antique-looking statue, or colorful patterned tiles embedded in a small wall. Keep the color palette generally warm and natural terracottas, creams, muted blues, and vibrant greens to ensure a cohesive and sophisticated look. The best plants for a small Mediterranean garden are those that thrive in bright sun, are drought-tolerant, and offer great texture or scent without taking up too much horizontal space. Aromatic herbs are essential. Plant rosemary, which can be pruned into hedges, lavender for color and fragrance, and thyme. For structure and shade, consider a dwarf olive tree in a large, handsome pot. Its silvery leaves are iconic. Flowering plants that bring the vibrant coastal color include bougainvillea, trained on a wall, geraniums in pots, and the ever-reliable agapanthus. For dramatic foliage, look to succulents and cacti, such as aloe or smaller agave, which provide architectural interest with minimal watering needs. To add height without width, small, narrow varieties of cypress or pencil juniper are perfect. Grouping these plants in simple unglazed terracotta pots creates a beautiful layered look that is easy to manage in a limited space. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best small Mediterranean garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The lavender lined path. This design uses a perfectly balanced mix of texture and color. A generous border of deep purple lavender and soft ornamental grasses flanks a wide, light-colored flagstone path, leading the eye toward a simple wooden pergola structure. This creates a deeply immersive, aromatic entryway that feels expansive despite its definition. 2. Terracotta and white stone retreat. A quintessential Mediterranean feel is captured here using a corner of warm terracotta tiles bordered by crisp white decorative pebbles. The contrast highlights the rich texture of the central olive tree and the vibrant surrounding greenery, creating a clean yet rustic gathering space. 3. The covered loggia and poolside oasis. This showcases a luxurious extension of the home, featuring a stone-clad, covered outdoor room loggia with sheer white curtains for light control. The adjacent sparkling pool, framed by structured lawn and container plants, perfectly balances comfortable outdoor dining with sophisticated relaxation, all against a rugged hillside backdrop. 4. The formal fountain courtyard. An elegant, symmetrical design using a long, narrow fountain as the central axis. The flanking paved pathways are bordered by lush, manicured greenery and palm varieties, leading to a dark, stately entryway. This design emphasizes tranquility and structured formality, ideal for a refined, contained courtyard space. 5. Rustic stone path and pool deck. This idea combines a natural, irregular stone pathway with a dark wooden deck surrounding a small pool. The planting is lush and soft, featuring purple alliums and various white ground covers. This look is more relaxed and naturalistic, blending rustic materials with the modern curve of the pool. 6. Vibrant window box and border planting. A close-up showing how to bring high-impact color to a small area. The border is densely planted with striking orange lilies, deep purple lavender, and varied green shrubs, set against a simple building facade with contrasting window frames. This maximizes visual interest right next to the home's entrance. 7. Layered stone wall and decking. This features a beautiful multi-level composition. A stacked stone retaining wall covered in creeping greenery, topped by vibrant bougainvillea flowers. A simple wooden deck provides a small, secluded seating area beneath an olive tree, demonstrating smart use of vertical space in sloped or compact yards. 8. Intimate flagstone patio with artifacts. Perfect for a secluded nook, this design utilizes irregular flagstone paving and high, painted walls to create an enclosed sense of privacy. A small bistro-style table and chairs are tucked amidst lush greenery and accented by a wall medallion and bird bath, offering a secret garden feel. 9. Courtyard dining with arches. A classic Spanish or Italian courtyard look, with the architecture providing the main structure via stone walls and terracotta-tiled arches. A round outdoor dining set is centrally placed on a paved area, softened by strategically placed trees and dense ground cover planting, creating a shaded gathering spot. 10. Modern desert Mediterranean style. This showcases a contemporary take, focusing on architectural plants like tall columnar cacti and agaves. A clean, light-colored pathway leads between defined beds of gravel and large, striking succulents, giving a sharp, minimalist, and extremely low-water use Mediterranean desert vibe. The small Mediterranean garden is truly a testament to the fact that you don't need excessive space or endless maintenance to create a stunning, atmospheric retreat. By focusing on the core elements: warm, natural materials, resilient and fragrant plants, and simple, intentional decor, you can transform even the tiniest courtyard or balcony into a sun-soaked haven that looks effortlessly beautiful all year long. We hope these top 10 ideas have sparked the inspiration you need to bring a piece of the Mediterranean home. Which of these Mediterranean masterpieces was your favorite? Let us know the image number in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful for your next garden project, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas and practical tips. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Ready to start shopping for those terracotta pots and lavender plants? We'll see you in the next video.